Jesus, Jesus, I announce the mercy of God has settled there. The battle is over. I see a new sound of joy. I see victory on every side. By the mercy of God, new chapters are opened. By the mercy of God, your name is on that list. By the mercy of God, immigration challenge settled. By the mercy of God, autism uprooted. By the mercy of God, cancer reversed. By the mercy of God, family jubilation. By the mercy of God, I announce your celebration will still hold. Your joy will still hold in 2025. By the mercies of God, 11th hour miracle, 11th hour turnaround, 11th hour celebration. By the mercies of God, you emerge as a new man. By the mercy of God, guilt has been taken. Heavy load has been taken right now. By the mercies of God, you are no longer their victim. By the mercies of God, the cause of death has been broken. This is your word, don't doubt it. By the mercies of God, you will not die. You will come out of it. Jesus, you will come out of it. I say you will come out of it. By the mercies of God, receive your how did it happen miracle. How did it happen miracle? By the message of God, receive your come and see evidence. Your come and see evidence. Forgiven by mercy, lifted by mercy, announced by mercy, enlarged by mercy, preferred by mercy, projected by mercy. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. The Lord has caused me to pass over your head. You went through the water. You went through the fire. But now the sound of your amen. The Lord has brought you to your wealthy place. Right now, you see that thing the Lord has given to you. They will not take it away from you. The Lord said it will still happen. Oh, somebody needs to connect with this. You have been asking a question. Will it still happen in 2025? Will it still happen in 2025? If I were you, I will release my faith. I will connect with everything I have. The sound of your email. It will still happen in 2025. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Somebody take your word. The Lord lifted you above your competitors. Receive it right now. Today will be your last day of going to that clinic.